Hey everybody, Tom Barnes, stories from the 78 from the Wonder Museum here in Chicago's like West Loop neighborhood, right by the United Center. The Infinity Room, which is right behind me, that's leaving April 31st. It's out of here. So you have until then to come in here and take a look. And I'm going to talk to Randy about the experience. They got a new couple different immersive exhibits inside here. So we're going to do that for this story from the 78 at the Wonder Museum. All right, one of the new exhibits here at the Wonder Museum, the Heritage of Denim, and I have my friend Randy here to explain the Wonder Museum and what's all going on this year and this new exhibit. How are you doing, Randy?
I'm good. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. So explain the Wonder Museum in general and what people who have not come yet, what are they in for when they come here?
Yeah, Wonder Museum is Chicago's original art and tech immersive experience. We feature over 20 installations here with art installations and technology experiences that you'll really have to come in to believe. Unlike most immersive experiences, we do encourage the audience to immerse themselves in the art to engage with the experience. None of the artworks are completed without the audience participation. So we really encourage everyone to dig deep in here and really spark creativity through kids of all ages.
Yeah, you have a lot of little interesting things right when you walk in. I mean, you have somebody can write a poem for you in a couple minutes, and you really have some of that electronic art that people could immerse themselves in. And then you walk through the space. How many different exhibits are there when you walk through this entire space?
We are featuring over 20 installations right now with this room constantly rotating through our new Vanguard Creators of Color collaboration that we have featuring for this year.
So talk specifically about the space that we're in today.
Yeah, so the exhibit that we are stationed in is titled Acres of Untold History. This exhibit was created by fashion designer Chesley Sanders, where she invites us to experience an expressive tribute to the pages of untold history. She has a love for storytelling. She uses her medium of denim to explain the history of African Americans' contribution to American history.
So this is just one of the installations that changed throughout every couple of months, right? Because this was something else previously. It'll be this for a while, but and there's some permanent ones, right? Or do they all kind of change throughout?
So a lot of our pieces are kind of rotating in and out. Mm-hmm. We're actually transitioning one of our most popular pieces right now. So some pieces are permanent, some are fan favorites, so we've had since we've opened, and we'll continue to have versions of them throughout the museum. But other pieces are rotating, like in this room. This is the station for the new Vanguard's collaboration with Creators of Color. This is a year-long collaboration with multiple artists coming in and rotating artworks out in this piece.
And how often do you rotate the artworks out and all that good stuff?
For this exhibit specifically, each of the artists with the new Vanguard will be having a 2-month residency here.
Ah, very cool.
Yeah.
And for this space, how long do you think that would take for people to walk through it and enjoy it? And I know that there's like the old school OG one of a room that's slanted. I know that's like a favorite of a bunch of people that kids just walk through, and we loved it too. But yeah. How long does that take for people to walk through the whole space?
I'd say on average guests take around an hour and a half to really enjoy all of the little nicks and crannies of the exhibits that we have here. There are a lot of surprise and delight elements, so things will rotate out. Like depending on when you come, you'll always have a different experience. So that's like a feature of the poets that are in the beginning of the museum. Right. Depending on how long that is, it'll just always vary depending on when you come through.
And should people buy their tickets ahead of time online, or can they walk up? How does that work?
Yeah, all ticket sales are done in advance. You can find all of our tickets sold on our website on wondermuseum.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. And are you guys open 7 days a week, 6 days a week? What's that like?
We are open 7 days a week. You can find information about our hours and our locations on our Instagram at Wonder Museum.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, Randy. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, that is the Wonder Museum here in the West Loop area of Chicago. Tom Barnes, Chicago at gmail.com. If you have a suggestion for a story from the 78, and also hit the website storiesfromthe78.com. See you guys later.